Now welcome to this first video of the production and planning case study of GBI, Global Bike Incorporated. So the first thing we are going to do is that we change the material master data of the Deluxe Touring Bike Red. So the transaction, you might remember the transaction code for changing a material master immediately is MM02, and then please select your Deluxe Touring Bike in red. So the red is the Deluxe Touring Bike is DXTR, red is number 3, and then please use your participants number. I will doing that whole series of videos with the number 998. So I start with the material DXTR 3998, and you please use your number, which is important, as you already know. So press enter. The tabs we need to change are MRP3 and the forecasting tab. Let's go forward. Please enter Dallas as a plant, finished goods as the storage location. You might need these values further on, though you can press on default setting. That means that these parameters then are always preset whenever you enter those menu again. So let's continue. And then you see here that we are about to change the Deluxe Touring Bike Red. Strategy group is 40, consumption mode 1, backward consumption period 30. So all of these parameters will be explained in the lecture, but of course you should try to understand them, for example, by pressing F1 and reading what the online documentation of SAP is commenting on those values. So if those values are not yet filled in, so please fill them in. Period indicator should be M, empty, empty, 40, 1, 30, and here you should have 0.2 and a total replenishment lead time of 5 days, which is fine. Now let's go forward to the forecasting tab. If you get a warning message, just click on enter, and then you will be able to forward to that tab. Let's go back to MRP3. You might get a warning message here. One thing I missed, sorry for that. Please enter 1 into the forward consumption period. And then if you press enter, you can go forward. Whenever you get a warning message, please just tap on enter again. And this brings you to the next screen, the forecasting screen. So in the forecasting screen, please make the following settings. We of course leave the base unit of measure each, forecast model X is okay, period indicator M is fine, history period 60 is okay, 64-12 forecast periods 12 periods per season, but we ask SAP to initialize the forecast for 12 periods. We don't use fixed periods. Initialization you leave at X. Tracking limit 4000. Reset automatically. Please unclick and click parameter optimization. Selection procedure 2 is fine. Optimization level, we select fine optimization. No waiting group. The alpha factor is 0.2. The beta factor is 0.1. The gamma factor is 0.3. And the alpha factor is 0.3. These are parameters that are influencing the formulas to forecast the consumption data. We will see those parameters at work in the later videos, but they clearly will influence how much SAP is suggesting or assuming that will be consumed in the future. Okay, so please check again that you have all of these parameters. And then we are finished with that one and press save. Now this material is saved now, and please do the same, the same procedure now for the Deluxe Touring Bike in silver and the one in black, which is DXTR1 and then your number, and DXTR2 and then your number. So to be very clear, before you go on with the next videos, you must have done what we did for the black Deluxe Touring Bike or for the red Deluxe Touring Bike. For the 2 other Deluxe Touring Bikes you have, and only after having done that you can go forward successfully. Okay, so I will not produce a video for that, so do that in a silent mode. and change the two remaining bikes, please.